Hi there, and welcome to Crypto's Genie. We have a brand new topic for you today. BITGERT Brise is one of the hottest rising stars in cryptocurrency. The altcoin offers the fastest growing ecosystem with projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and much more. The good news is that BITGERT's potential as the next generation of cryptocurrency may boost its price in the coming months. The coin's impressive technical structure has laid the groundwork for potential future success. So, is BITGERT about to explode? Continue watching to find out our BITGERT price prediction. Today, we're going to talk about why BITGERT's price may launch by 50x. BITGERT is a rising crypto coin that has caught the attention of serious investors. The volatility of the crypto market suggests that a positive spike for BITGERT could happen soon. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video as we bring you the latest on BITGERT. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. Before we begin, a quick recap. The crypto market as a whole is going down. BITGERT has currently been on a downward trend for the past day at the time of this recording. Now, what's all the fuss about this new crypto coin? Well, BITGERT has just built the fastest blockchain. And when we say fast, we really mean it. The altcoin can complete 100,000 transactions per second. By the time you finish reading this, BITGERT may have already completed in excess of 500,000 transactions. That's how fast the new altcoin is. It gets even better. The much dreaded and unpopular gas fees is taken care of. That's right. Users don't have to pay anything in terms of transaction costs. Near zero is the term officially used on the coin's website. With BITGERT arriving as the fastest blockchain of 2022, could its price launch to 50x? Since the coin launched on July 28, 2021, it has proven to be a force to reckon with in DeFi. The main feature of this project is the innovative tokenomics. BITGERT project is designed to reward users. This could have a positive impact on the altcoin's price predictions. A month after the launch of the BITGERT token, the team started launching products, with BITGERT Audits being the first product. In the next 60 days, one of the most powerful products, Brise Wallet, was launched and followed by the BITGERT Swap. The team then went ahead and listed on over 5+ Tier 2 exchanges in the first 120 days of launch. The biggest product BITGERT released recently was the BITGERT Staking. The staking is still one of the biggest topics about BITGERT, with over $25 million worth of BITGERT staked. The staking is still ongoing, and there are 3 more things that will happen soon. This could launch BITGERT's price by 50x. The first one is the project doxing. The BITGERT project has been operating anonymously for all this time. There have been issues with anonymous projects, even when they are doing well as BITGERT Coin. The team announced that it is doxing the project to improve users' confidence. The second thing is the registration of a legal entity. Finally, the BITGERT project will be registered as a legal entity very soon. According to the team, the project is going to be registered in the Cayman Islands as a legal entity. The team did not provide the exact date, but it has to be before the exchange launch, which should be the next project. The third thing coming up soon is the launch of the exchange and the blockchain. BITGERT exchange and blockchain launch is the most anticipated development now. The successful launch of these 2 products will be a huge milestone for this project. The exchange is coming first in Q1 2022, followed by the blockchain at a later date. Users can buy BITGERT tokens at PancakeSwap and the exchanges like MEXC Global, L Bank, and Bitmart. Now comes another piece of brilliant news. According to analyticsinsight.net, the price prediction for the BITGERT in 2022 is 100x increment. This is how potent the crypto analysts believe that Brise will be this year. The comparison of BITGERT and Litecoin price predictions shows that BITGERT has the potential to overtake Litecoin in 2022. The price prediction for BITGERT Coin shows a crypto coin that has the potential to explode in 2022. Crypto analysts believe that Brise might increase 100 times this year. This is almost 100 times bigger than the Litecoin price prediction. This also explains why more Litecoin holders are buying BITGERT. There is so much that the BitGert team is working on that is making the Brise coin better than Litecoin. Here are 3 exciting things crypto investors need to know about BitGert. Number 1. One of the reasons why crypto experts believe that BitGert is going to outperform Litecoin is its zero gas fee blockchain adoption. The BitGert BRC20 blockchain adoption rate has been larger than Litecoin. In fact, Litecoin cannot even come close to Brise chain adoption. BitGert chain adoption is growing the Brise adoption, which is why the Brise price is doing better than Litecoin. As BRC20 blockchain adoption grows, BitGert will be doing better than Litecoin. Number 2. BitGert's fast-growing blockchain ecosystem is one of the reasons why this coin will do better than Litecoin. Though Litecoin has been around for over a decade and Litecoin adoption as a payment method has been growing, it might be outperformed by BitGert. The BitGert team is launching more products and faster than Litecoin. BitGert Roadmap V2 and 1,000-plus BitGert-backed projects are developments attracting Litecoin holders. Number 3. The BitGert project is not just growing the ecosystem, but also the chain utility faster than Litecoin. The BitGert bridge is one of the biggest developments that increase Brise chain utility. The USDT-USDC bridge is another utility attracting investors, including Litecoin holders. The excitement around BitGert has been growing since its launch. Recently, Nasdaq published a report on its website. Over the last 7 months, BitGert has become one of the fastest-growing cryptocurrencies in the industry. During that time, the BitGert market cap has grown to over $700 million, especially after the launch of its revolutionary blockchain, BitGert BRC20 blockchain. The report further states that the BitGert project has a development grant of up to $3 million that will spread across 3 years of development. This budget is sufficient to enable the team to focus on delivering the products and project for the BitGert ecosystem. With the BitGert Roadmap V2.0 coming up soon, this fund will be critical in developing the upcoming products, including the metaverse product introduced in early 2022. According to the BitGert team, the development kitty will also be useful in addressing arising developments in the industry. This could have a positive impact on the coin, launching its price by 50x. And there's more. After 6 months, the BitGert team plans to conduct one of the biggest hackathons. The aim is to help bring more exciting projects to the BitGert ecosystem and, at the same time, identify talented developers. The hackathon will also enable the team to add more products and projects to the BitGert ecosystem within a very short time. The hackathon is expected to cover key areas the BitGert project focuses on, including DeFi, Metaverse, Web3, and many others. But the most significant development that has come out of BitGert in 2022 is the BRC20 blockchain. This is a revolutionary blockchain that is disrupting the industry because of its zero gas fee mechanism and also the fastest speed. The BitGert multi-chain blockchain is the world's first zero-cost gas fee chain, a feature that alleviates the big problem of the expensive gas fee. The gas fee is 0.00000000000001 per transaction, making it the lowest in the world so far. BitGert's future looks promising. The coin will be completing the first roadmap in Q1 after launching the widely anticipated Brise exchange. The next phase is the launch of Roadmap V2.0, which will contain the metaverse product. This could launch the coin's price by 50x. BitGert is one of the cryptocurrencies that is less affected by the sell-off. Most of the BitGert holders have been holding. But why? BitGert is one of the few coins that is promising massive returns. This is because the coin has so many developments coming in the next few months. BitGert's development is just starting and has not been saturated. The BitGert CEX and the BitGert Web3 Oracle are among the products in the BitGert Roadmap V2. There is also the BitGert Pay Brise that the Sphynx team is developing and the BitGert NFT marketplace. There are key BitGert products coming up that are making BitGert stand out from the other altcoins. The BitGert BRC20 adoption might also make BitGert perform better than other crypto coins. At Crypto's Genie, We strongly believe that BitGert is the next 50x crypto and a prediction of at least a $5 billion market cap in the next bull run. That's all the BitGert price prediction we have for you today. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you're still here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Please do not forget checking our website and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.